Hey YouTube, how are you doing? Today we will talk about affiliate marketing, which everyone looking those days to find a way how he can start passive income way. Then we will see how people start making this passive income from scratch and what you need exactly to do to reach that level of start making money. Because actually, if you want to start making some side hustle, you need to do some research, some effort. And that's what we will see in this channel. Please, if you don't subscribe yet, just make sure to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up, and make sure to follow every video, because we will start uploading a lot of videos, a lot of information videos about financial, Bitcoin prices, and about analytics, also small business idea. So make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. How actually affiliate marketing is work. Affiliate marketing is like the person in the middle. For example, we have two persons, okay? The business owner, and we have the seller, or we have the marketer, okay? You are the marketer, and in the other side there is the buyer. You are the person in the middle. Your job is to take the product from the business owner or the company. Then you need to take this product and to make sure that you have the ability to start selling this product to the buyer, and to make sure that you can make the buyer love or know why this is the best product that he can buy from it. You need to make sure to be marketer, okay? Marketer. Your payment, actually, it's a commission, and this commission is coming from the owner. For example, if the product costs $100 or $150, your commission is gonna be $30 or $40, okay? Without doing any customer support, without delivering the product. Your job, actually, it's like to sell the product. That's it. This is the end of your job, and you keep it like that. As much as you sell, as much as you earn, and sky is limit. Actually, affiliate marketing is one of the best businesses that I'm interested on. I will do it myself, and I will also share with you my results. I have a lot of plans, a lot of idea. I done a lot of learning or education about this domain. I will share with you every simple step, and also I will share with you my results, so you can have an idea how the work is going. And I will share with you my goals, my mistakes, how to improve or to upgrade your level in this domain. And then I will start sharing with you this experience and this idea, and we will see how people start making those small businesses from scratch and what is the level that they reach. This is the end of the video. Stay soon. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will be very happy if we can reach the YouTube requirement, and I also will share with you my statement, my monthly statement from day 1 till day 380. I don't know, but we will start sharing. So stay soon. Take care. Bye bye.